Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to create a spreadsheet on Word. Let's get started. Step 1. First open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once it's launched, look at the top left corner of the screen and you'll see the File option. Click on it to open a menu with various document-related options. Step 2. In the File menu, click on New. From there, select Blank Document. This will open a fresh, empty document where you can begin creating your spreadsheet. Think of this as your blank canvas ready for your data. Step 3. Now, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Table. Click on it. This is where you can create a structured table, which will serve as the foundation for your spreadsheet. Step 4. After clicking on Table, select Insert Table from the drop-down menu. A small window will pop up, allowing you to define the structure of your spreadsheet. Here, you can choose the number of rows and columns you need. For example, if you want a simple 5x5 table, just enter those numbers and click OK. Step 5. Once your table is created, you can start typing in your data. Click on any cell within the table and begin entering the information you need. Whether it's numbers, text, or dates, your spreadsheet is now ready to organize your data efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully created a spreadsheet in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.